Hey guys, today we're making a mermaid tail keychain like the one right here. I've been traveling to Goa and now heading off to Kerala, so there's going to be a lot of beach, and I just feel like making some sea inspired material. Here is a mermaid shaped keychain that I'm adding to my keychain collection. We're going to do a tutorial on how to make it today. For this, you need a ring, a pair of scissors to cut off the excess and give it that mermaid shape at the bottom, a fringer to make this beautiful fringe, and of course the yarn. I'm using 4 centimeter cotton cord of single strand. I'm using 4 pieces of 80 centimeters each. Let's begin. We're going to start with tying the 4 strings to this keychain using Lark Head knot. Now the mermaid keychain is all about double half hitch knots, which make these grids here. So we will divide the 4 strings into 2 each. Starting with the one on the left hand side, you take the innermost, the rightmost string, and make a double half hitch knot using the string on its left. Now in each half hitch knot, we've left an increasing amount of gap here. This increasing amount of gap from the inside towards the outside is what it's going to give this shape and make the line converge at the end of it in the middle, like so. After the first one, we go ahead with another one. You take the rightmost string again and start making double half hitch knots. Leaving a little space this time. And just a tad more space. And repeat. Again, the rightmost string and double half hitch knots. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. The last one. 1 and 2. Now you see the structure will come like this. So a final line is left here. At the end, we want to tie all of the strings at the bottom. So these double half hitch knots will be including the previous string into your knot. So we take the rightmost string again. We make the double half hitch knots. Simple. This time around, we take both of these strings and make the double half hitch knots across both of them. It's slightly thicker, the result, but if you tie it properly, it will come out very neat. Now we take all 3 strings and make another double half hitch. So this is one side of the structure done. Repeat it symmetrically with the other one. You see how these two should be symmetric to these. You complete the 3 lines, 2 more. The last line will include all of the strings in the middle. So the first chord, alternating half hitch, the second time we wrap it around both the chords, another double half hitch, the third time we take all the 3 chords and another double half hitch. So at the end of this, these two can be joined together. Now to tie up the final, we're going to do a gathering knot. I have a 20 centimeter piece of pink string here because I think the pastel blue and pink combination goes really well. You loop around it and then you wrap the yarn very tightly across the leftovers. Make sure you wrap it around at least 5 times to give it a good solid tie. Five times. Push the open string through the loop at the bottom, and while holding the string tight, pull the top string. It will take this looped knot inside and tuck it in tightly. Cut off the excess from the top and bottom. And now we will cut off the excess from the bottom. Use the fringer. Now that the fringe is open, we just need to cut it in the shape of a mermaid's tail. Fringe it some more. Make sure the tail is nice and shapely. And there you have it, a mermaid tail.